you guys, my name is Ria and welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So in this video I'm going to be talking about some beginner skincare, hair care and makeup products that you can use during your college days. Now this video is an ultimate beginner friendly video. If you are not a beginner, this video is not going to interest you at all, but if you are a beginner who has never really been concerned about skincare, hair care, makeup, etc., and if you're just going to be entering college and you want to start doing all of this, then this is the perfect video for you. Now I do understand that there are a lot of products available in the market for different price ranges for different skin types and everything, and it's really overwhelming to select the right product for you. So I'm not going to give you a lot of options. I'm just going to cut the crap and come straight to the point and tell you which products to buy and for what you can use them. So without any further ado, let's get started. So firstly, we'll begin with skincare. Now if you are a beginner or a teenager or you have just started with your college, then you don't require a lot of skincare products, just 2 or 3 basic products. And the first thing that you need is a face wash. Now if you have normal skin or acne prone skin or even dry skin, then you can use Himalaya Neem Purifying Neem face wash. This retails only for rupees 65 or 50 ml, really affordable. And if you have extremely oily skin or just oily skin, then Clean and Clear foaming face wash is going to be your best friend. I have used both these face washes throughout my college life and they have worked wonderfully for me. So this one retails for 110 for the larger size, that is 150 ml, but you can get this in a smaller size under rupees 100, somewhere around 50-60 rupees. So they are really affordable. The next thing that you need is a scrub and a face mask. So you don't really need a lot of them. For scrub, the most affordable and the best option is by Clean and Clear. It is their Blackhead clearing daily scrub, and this retails only for rupees 30 for 20 grams. Really affordable, and it's going to help you clear out all of the blackheads on your nose. So this is really good. You can use this like once or twice a week, however you require. And for face pack, I have this Himalaya Purifying Neem face pack. Now if you have oily skin or acne prone skin, only then use a face pack, otherwise you can just skip on the face pack. And DIY option would be a mixture of Multani, Mitti and Besan, and you can just mix a little bit of water into it and make it into a paste like consistency. Apply it all over your face, let it stay as a face mask. Then you can add a little bit more water and then just start scrubbing it. So it's going to act as your face mask and your scrub, and it's a DIY mixture, so it's going to be really affordable and easily available at your home. Now the next step is usually toning, but for your delicate skin you do not even require toning. So moving on to moisturization, only if you have dry skin should you use a moisturizer at that early age. So if you have dry skin, Nivea Soft Light Moisturizer is a really good option. I've seen so many people using it and people actually like it. This retails for 36 rupees for 25 ml. And if you have oily skin, then you don't really need a lot of moisturization on your face, but if you want to mattify your face and keep the oil in check, then Lacto Calamine is going to be your best friend. I have been using this since my school days. I've used this throughout my entire college life, and it is the most wonderful product ever. It clears out your skin, it helps to heal acne marks, and it keeps your oil in check, mattifies your face, and it's just the perfect thing. So this retails for 69 rupees for 30 ml, the smallest size. So it's really good. Now moving on to hair care, I have only one product here which I trust the most and I love the most. That is Pantene Oil Replacement. So what I generally do is I just take a pea-size amount of it and run it through my hair, and it just makes my hair so much more manageable, so much silky, soft, and it helps to detangle my hair as well. So this is my go-to product. It retails only for rupees 85 for 80 ml. Super affordable, right? Now guys, I don't know what's wrong with my voice, please bear with me today. So yes, moving on to makeup products, BB creams are going to be your best friend if you are a beginner. So I have Pond's and Garnier BB Cream with me over here. If you have dry skin, you can use Garnier one because it contains an inbuilt moisturizer, and if you have oily skin, then Pond's BB Cream is going to be your best friend. They both contain some level of SPF that is really good, and they both give you almost equal amount of coverage, so they are both really good. For dry skin, Garnier, and for oily skin, Pond's one. For compact powder, you can use any compact powder of your choice, whatever works for you. The one that I highly recommend is by Maybelline. It is a white SuperFresh compact. The reason why I love this so much is because it contains SPF 28 PA++++, which is a really good amount of sun protection, and I don't like wearing sunscreen under my makeup. So this gives me some sun protection and it just works as a sunscreen and a compact powder for me. Also, this retails only for ₹160, which is like so affordable. This is one of the most affordable compact powders available in the market. Now for eye makeup, I've seen people wearing kajals, I've seen them wearing eyeliners, I've seen some people wearing both of them. So I have some multitasking products which can be used as kajals and eyeliners. So the first one is Lakme Eyeconic Kajal and the second one is Maybelline the Colossal Kajal. They both retail for around like 200 or 300 rupees and they're both really good. They last for a reasonable period of time, perfect for college wear. And then for mascara, like I never wore mascara throughout my college life. But if you're the kind of a person who really needs to wear mascara because it just makes all the difference in the world, then the best options are by Maybelline. Maybelline the Colossal Volume Express Mascara and Maybelline HyperCurl Mascara. The Colossal one gives you amazing volume and the HyperCurl one just lifts your eyelashes and it just curls your eyelashes. Now moving on to lipsticks, I have a few affordable options for you all. The first one is Lakme Enriched Lip Crayon. This retails for 185, comes in 10 different shades and it's in a crayon-like form. It comes with a sharpener of its own. The finish on the lips is comfortable matte. The second option is L18 Colourpop Matte Lipstick. This comes in 20 different shades. The finish of this is semi-matte and this retails for 100 rupees only. And the last option is by Miss Claire if you're looking for a liquid lipstick or a lip cream kind of formula. Then these retail for 350 on Nykaa, but if you find them elsewhere, in stores or something, then you can get them up to like 200 rupees or something. These also come in like 30 to 40 different shades and they are really comfortable on the lips, but you need to wear a lip balm underneath. They dry down to a complete matte finish and they look really flattering. And the last thing that you need in your skincare / makeup bag is a makeup remover. The one that I recommend is Garnier Micellar Oil Infused Cleansing Water. This can help you to remove even waterproof makeup and this only retails for 225 for 125 ml. It's a really good makeup remover. It is suitable for acne prone skin as well. It does not irritate your skin, does not dry it down or anything like that. So yes, these were all of the products that I have been using since my college days. I'm still using and I love them so much and I highly recommend all of these products. I just wanted to keep this video to the point. I did not want to show you a lot of recommendations and confuse you because you might already be confused due to a lot of variety of options available in the market and it's really confusing to select which one to go for. The ones that I showed you in this video, I've been using all of them since like forever and they have been working out super well for my sensitive acne prone skin. So that's why I can recommend these products to you and you can trust me and go ahead and buy these products because they are super amazing, super good for beginners especially. So if you are a new college student or you're just beginning with your skincare and makeup, then I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If it was, then please hit the like button. Share this video with all of your friends who are going to start going to college this year so that this video helps them to select the right kind of products. So yes, that was day 4 of college week. Now I know that if you are not a beginner, this video might not be relatable or helpful for you. But I really wanted to help the ultra beginners out there who are just beginning with their skincare and makeup regime so that they don't get confused and overwhelmed with the variety of choices that are available in the market. And even if you're not an ultra beginner, these are some of the products that have been working for like most people out there. So if you haven't really tried some of these products, you can give them a try. So yes, that's all about today's video. This is Riya signing off. Goodbye.